Hi, today we are going to be talking about three-dimensional shapes. So I collected some objects here that I found at home to show you and give you an example about what are three-dimensional shapes. So we have some plane shapes or flat shapes, which means that these go flat on the table or on any surface. These are flat shapes, plane shapes. The difference between the three-dimensional shapes and flat shapes is that the three-dimensional shape can stand up. This is a three-dimensional shape and it stands up. The flat shape or plane shape lays flat down. And this has volume inside. So there's space inside the three-dimensional shapes. So we're going to go over some of our three-dimensional shapes and plane shapes. So we're going to start with the cylinder. So this is a three-dimensional shape. It has a circle at the bottom and at the top, but it's not a plane shape because it has volume and it stands up. This is a circle. A circle lays flat and it has no volume. It does not stand up on its own. It lays down flat. So this is a cylinder and this is a circle. This is another cylinder. This is a cylinder. It can stand up and that's the cylinder. This is another cylinder. We can see the shape of the circle, but it stands up on its own, so this is a cylinder. It does not lay flat. This is a cylinder. This is also a cylinder. Cylinder. And a cylinder. This is a cylinder. This is a circle. It lays flat and it's plain, so this is a circle. Our next shape is a sphere. Just like a ball, it's round, and this is called a sphere. This is an orange. An orange is a sphere. This is also a sphere. This is a sphere, and it's a three-dimensional shape. This one as well. This is a sphere. Round, like a ball, sphere. Our next three-dimensional shape is the rectangle prism. Now it looks just like the rectangle, but it's not flat. So this is a rectangle prism. Okay, just like a box, a rectangle prism. This is also a rectangle prism. And these are also, this is a rectangle. This is not a three-dimensional shape. This is flat. Okay, so this is a rectangle. This is also a rectangle, flat. And this one. Our next shape is a square face pyramid. Now we have different types of pyramids. This one's a square-based pyramid because this has a square shape at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. This is a square base pyramid. This is a cone. This is a three-dimensional shape. This is a cone. It has a circle as a base and it has a top, a pointy corner at the top. This is a cone, Now our last shape is a cube. This is a cube. This is a tissue box, and a tissue box is like a cube. So it looks like a square, but it stands up and it's not flat. It has space and volume inside. So this is a cube. This is flat and plain, so this is a square. This is a cube. This is another cube. This is another cube. This is a little speaker and it's a cube. Okay, now at home, if you have some Play-Doh and some sticks or straws, you can make your own three-dimensional shapes. I made these. These are our three-dimensional shapes made out of Play-Doh and some sticks. Okay, so this is a rectangular prism. This is a rectangular prism. It looks just like a rectangle, but it's not flat. So this is a rectangle prism. This is a cube. Looks like a square, but it's not flat. So this is a cube. And our last one is a triangle base pyramid. Just like a triangle, this is a triangle base pyramid. Different from the square base pyramid. This has a square at the bottom. This has a triangle. So we're going to make a triangle base pyramid with some pieces of straw and some Play-Doh. Okay, so first we're going to form the triangle base. So we need 3 circles at the bottom, 3 little balls of Play-Doh, and we are going to connect the straws to make the triangle. We're going to connect all the pieces together. So this is the base. That is why it's called a triangle base pyramid. So now after we have our base, this is a triangle, we are going to add the next step. We are going to put together the top. This is what's going to be standing up. That is why it's a 3-dimensional shape. And with one of these little Play-Doh balls, we're going to connect the 3 of them. Okay, so this is a triangle base pyramid. Okay, triangle base pyramid. Okay, triangle base pyramid. So this was our lesson for the 3-dimensional shapes. Thank you for watching.